And now, the unwrapping of the game. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Let's open. Wait.
We have to open this now.
Let us now first open the little box.
I don't know what's in.
Okay, let's read first. Merriment. What does that mean? The merriment to Josh and Kemal from Kenny and Twinkle. Yeah. Okay, no, not like that. Like slowly.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Set.
Go! Whoa! Whoa! Be careful! Hey, what's
Kinda dangerous.
Be careful. Babala, mga bata, ang scissors ay gamitin ng may patnubay ng mga magulang. Yeah! Your controller! Hey, now, the unwrapping of the Xbox. Sit here, you sit here. We should do it really slowly, okay? Okay. Go! Whoa! Xbox! Xbox 360! Xbox 360! Xbox 360! Xbox 360! Xbox 360!
Wait, game.
Thank you, Uncle Kenny!
Thank you, Uncle Kenny.
Thank you, Mommy Twinkle!
Thank you, Uncle Kenny. Thank you. And
Okay.
I'm also for.
Mura lang yun.
Gano? Alam ko. Meron pa kayo na other box.
Boxception!
Redeem yan. After another.
Here!
Darksiders.
Darksiders 2!
Batman.
Batman Arkham City! Halo 4!
Another
The adapter.
The
Here's
big
the controller! Number 2.
controller number. It's not for children. It's not for adults.
Oh, no! Look, oh!
Specified.
It's not for children. It's not for dogs.
It's really specified there. Wait.
The Xbox 360.
Ooh, that's free
I'm
back.
so happy I'm gonna die!
It's so happy I'm gonna die! It's so happy I'm gonna die! It's so happy!
Na! Here comes the Xbox 360.
Wait, someone tell me how this... Kuya, check mo muna ko.
Yeah, so great.
Kuya, check mo muna ko ilang buwan. And free batteries!
Thanks, Kenny. Thanks,
Thanks,
Mommy
Uncle
Twinkle.